Okay, here is the rifle work. So I'm going to do all of the rifle work for movement 1 in this video, so it might be a long one. Feel free to pause it and practice it when you need to. So we are starting here. You're starting, you're starting this way. So you start here with your left hand on the tip, right hand on the butt, and you're facing down here. First count is, this is the one we've already done, count 1 up here. You're also going to kind of go into like a starfish moment. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, into a toss. Yep, 7, 8. You're tossing the way that you do a double on count 1, which I can't do that way because I only learned the other way. So you toss on count 1, catch on 3. So 1, 2, 3, hold 4. You're here. You're going to bring your left hand, was it to, I think it's to the right shoulder, yep, so you're swinging your right behind, nope, yeah, oh my god, bear with me guys, it's right, you're here, swing your left behind, bringing your left hand up to your shoulder, so we're up here, 5, 6, open, 7, 8, you're pushing with your bicep, 3, 4. No. Push with bicep. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're holding here. 3, 4. 45. No. What did we do here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 5, 6. Toss 7, 8, and catch, which I don't know how to do, but you know that's the 45 toss. And we're here. You catch on 8, right? So we're here. We go. Was it back? Yeah. How do you catch that? 1, 2. Oh yeah. So we just caught it. I don't know how you catch that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the scissor paper, which I'll send a video of someone else doing it later. Hold 7, 8. So we prep on 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to be at a prep here on count 5. Toss 6, 7, 8 on an angle. So, catching on an angle here. So then we have the spin in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 5, 6. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it's the toss sequence. So let's review all of that because that was really, really messy on my end. Oh. All right, so we start at the beginning. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Toss 1, 2, catch on 3, 4. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 45. Toss 7, catch 8. We're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, toss 6, catch 7, 8 on an angle, like this. Yes. And then you have the spin in the front where you do the little crossover. And we're going to tuck here. And then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, turn 3, 4. 5, 6, hold 7, 8. Then Kylie tosses on 1. She tosses a double. 1, catch 3. Then we have Jessa tossing on 3, catching a triple, catching on 7. Heather tosses on 5, throwing a triple, catching on 8. Delaney tosses on 7, catches on 3 of the next set. After you toss your toss, you will hold for the remaining of that 8 count. So if I'm Kylie, this is how I'm counting. Tossing on 1, catching on 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So after the toss series, you're holding for the 4 counts for toss control. So you just tossed and caught here. You're going to swivel behind your back. I'm going to slide this up here for a second. So what that means is you're going here, you're sliding up. So it's a slide up and around and front with your left hand above. So you're kind of twisting your wrist in a way that feels weird. Here, 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 with your left hand above your head. So that swivel is 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to hold with your left hand on the tip here on count 1, up on 2, 3, 4. So just oh wait, no, I'm wrong. You're up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna swing, is what I call the armpit roll. So it's going to go over your armpit. Staying on the same plane, your body should be facing forward. So to clarify, you just did the swivel behind your back, you're here, you're up on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're down into a low tuck. After that, you do another tuck toss, so it's just that 45 toss again. Toss on 1, catch on 3, hold on 4. So this is a double rather than the single that we did earlier. So to review that, you just caught all of your tosses here, you held for 4 counts, you are going swivel behind your back, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a lot faster. I'm nervous, I have a window next to me. And then you're tossing from here, 2, 3, hold 4. And then you're moving into your toss prep on 5, 6, 7, 8. So what that means is you're going to go here, 5, no. It's almost like a, no it's not. What am I doing? I don't know how you catch that tuck toss, so I want to say you catch it like this. If you're throwing it like this, maybe you catch it like this. Okay, so if you catch it like this, you're just going to push in front, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8 for your toss prep. Then you're going to do the same toss sequence as before. Kylie tosses on 1 double. Jessa and Heather, you're tossing triples on counts 5 and 7, or 3 and 5, sorry. Delaney, you're tossing on count 7 and quad. Again, you're going to hold 4 counts for toss control. After that, you're here. You're going to do what are called short stops. So what that means, it's kind of like kind of similar to like a slow drop spin, but with rifle. So you start here and you're going to do switches of the hands. So my left hand is going to come up, my right hand is going to come down, just like this. So that is count 1. Count 2 is down into a toss prep. Count So I lied. You're starting here. You just caught 1. No, you're starting here because you just caught. So you're here. You're going to also do side steps with this, but we'll add that in later. So we'll do it in this way. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And better. So let's try that again. 1, 2. So you're going up here on 1/2. 3, 4 is here, and it's strong. 5, 6 goes opposite. So your right hand is up here, left hand is down here. 7, 8 spins it all the way around, back into the starting position. So the goal is to do this quickly, but with a lot of strength. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do that with side steps. So you're starting here in first position. Count 1 when you catch that first short stop is down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? After that, we're doing a drop and pop, is what I have listed here. So you just did this. So it's up here. It's like a lofty drop spin, I guess. Drop and pop up on 5. Sit, and that's going to be up a little bit higher. So we have up here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, and we just have classic drop spins for 8 counts. And then we go into a single toss. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toss. Toss on 8, catch on 1. So let's review all of that. So I'm going to start with, let's just start at the beginning, shall we? So we're here. We're here. We pop up 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Toss 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toss 5. No. Hold 5, 6. Toss 7, 8, and catch. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Toss 5, 6, 7, 8 on an angle. Quick spin in rifle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you catch on 8. We have this move here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toss sequence. Kylie on 1. Tessa on 3. Heather on 5. Delaney on 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have swivel behind your back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toss sequence again. Kylie on 1. Tessa on 3. Heather on 5. Delaney on 7. Hold 1. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have the short step. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the side lunges. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have drop spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. You're going to hold 2, 3, and then you're pushing left on 4. So it's just this. 4. Hold 5, 6. Hold 5, 6, 7, 8. quick turn. One, two, three, four, over your head. It's a rainbow move. Then we're pushing down 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. We're doing a strap toss at the end here, so you push down 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't know how to do this, but we're going to hold here 5, 6, toss 7, 8, catch on 1. Okay? So your swivel starts on 7, your swivel of your toss, 7, 8, catch 1. Okay. Hope this all makes sense. Send me any questions if you need to. I'm going to send a video of the scissor kick as well. Thanks, bye.